Okay, so hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 297, that one that is find polygon with the largest perimeter, and in this we'll be given an array of positive integers nums of length n, and a polygon is said to be a closed plane figure that has at least three sides, and the side of the longest polygon is smaller than the sum of its other sides. Like for example, if we are having, let's say here 5, 5 and 5, so if we will sum, the perimeter will form up to be 15, and which is a valid side, which is valid. And for this example, if we see, we'll be getting 1, 1, 2, 5 and 3, and whose perimeter comes out to be 12. So this would be the largest polygon that will be make, and this will be the perimeter, and this will be the largest perimeter. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll just it's a very simple code. Now let's firstly initialize long my sum variable to be 0. Okay, and then let's use a for int num in nums. What I'll have to do is I'll have to add sum plus equal to num. Okay, so now I've just created my nums array, and then what the basically the approach is that I'm having my current sum array, and then I'll be traversing from the backwards after sorting the array, and then I'll be checking that if I'll be subtracting the nums basically, and then I'll be checking that if my sum is greater than the nums array, that is I'm having the already the largest parameter that I can have, and I'll be returning the sum plus nums array at that particular time. Okay, so then what I'll do, I'll just so arrays dot sort, let's do nums. Okay, so for int I equal to nums dot length minus 2, and I should be greater than or equal to 0. I am minus minus. Okay, it's not greater than or equal to 0 because we need to have at least three elements, so we'll be having greater than or equal to 2, and sorry, here it should be num minus 1. Yeah, and then what I'll do, I'll just subtract my current nums from the sum variable, and yeah, and then I'll be checking that if my at any point sum becomes greater than my current element, so that means that all the elements previous to that will form the parameter, and I'll just return return sum plus equal to nums. Okay, and and if we don't find any answer, we have to return minus 1. Now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.